Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a twist out. I haven't done this in quite a while, but sometimes I'll like spray my hair, and when it's damp I'll like twist it up and put it in a bun, and when I let it down it just has like this volume to it with like a loose wave. So I wanted to see like if I did like, 6 to 8 large twists and just add a little bit of product when my hair is damp. I also have some like Cantu Protective Styles by Angela foam. I'm going to put that on my hair along with my hydrating mist spray. I'm going to let it sit and dry and then unravel it, and we'll see what the results look like. But I'm excited to try something new on my hair, so if you are interested in seeing what this looks like, just like I am, then keep on watching. So I just got my hair pretty damp. I'm gonna put half of it up right now, out the way. I don't care about this being super neat. I'm just like trying to put some of the really long pieces inside of my lock. I already separated my hair at the roots a little bit so that it's too tangled. And I actually wanted to have like some of that volume. So I'm really doing like very loose wrapping. Okay. Get some of this foam. I'm gonna put this going down my locks so it holds the style a little bit better. I really love the Cantu by Angela's products. So yeah, I've been using that to retwist my hair the last couple of years, maybe more now. Okay, so we'll put a nice amount of the foam in there. We'll split this in 2 pieces. And I'm just gonna try and twist it pretty tight, and also like twist my hair at the same time. I'm just thinking that that'll make it better, maybe. Who knows? That should just make sense in my head. Just to the end, and I'm gonna pull it up like that. And just wrap it around like twice, super loose. I feel like that's tight enough. Like I don't need it to be too tight. Damn. My camera's dying. But it's fine. I might have to pause and just like charge it, but I will be back. So we got 2 so far. Okay, so I sat under the dryer for 2 hours. That's the max. I watched a show, had a glass of wine. I can't sit in the dryer any longer. So it's gonna be what it's gonna be. I just did not want it to be wet, but if it is, you know, it is. So here are the finished results. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Please comment down below if you have any questions for me or any comments on this style or any tips or tricks even for myself to like do this again. But I really like how this came out.